Hi. I'm Lisa from SK World Info.
And I'm Joe from SK World Info in Pakistan.
We'd like to give you a quick tour to get you started. On our Characters tab, you can click on Create a new character, then design your movie cast, and dress them for any occasion.
Making movies, or as we call them, plots, couldn't be easier. Plotagon includes a huge range of locations, all of them designed by our Stockholm-based art team.
Once you've chosen your location, click on the dialog button and write your character's lines.
You can select your character's expressions and emotions.
Add sound effects, interactions, and background music.
Click the movie camera icon to control the camera angles.
Or let Plotagon control the camera automatically.
Your Plotagon Studio license includes 2 American English-speaking digital voices from the a cappella group,
Plus 2 more in a different language or accent. Visit Plotagon website to get even more choices, including adult and child voices.
Or click the microphone icon to record your own voice or import audio files.
That's what we did. Du kan också använda Plotagon för andra språk.
When you're finished, export your movie as an MP4 file. Then use it in your training or outreach materials.
See other example plots to learn about hidden features and how to get the most out of your characters, digital voices, and movies.
We always welcome your questions, comments, and suggestions.
On behalf of Team SK World Info.
Thanks for choosing Plotagon Studio.
Subscribe our channel SK World Info.
and for updates, pre the bell icon.